see a clue? Where?
Right there.
Oh, there it is. And our first clue is on this black shirt. Well, you know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook, right. You know, I think I'll use my black crayon for this black shirt. Okay. First, let's draw an outline of the shirt. And then we can color it in. Like so. There, a black shirt. So, we're trying to figure out who gave Magenta the hiccups. And our first clue is a black shirt. So, I wonder who gave Magenta the hiccups with a black shirt. I think we should try to find 2 more clues. We still need to figure out who gave Magenta those hiccups. So we know we can make Magenta feel better.
A clue.
Yeah. Clues can help us. We still need to find 2 more clues to figure this out too.
No, it's a clue.
Oh, you see a clue. Where?
Right there.
There it is. Our second clue. And it's on this pair of black pants. Okay. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook, right. And again, for these black pants, I'll use my black crayon. Okay, so, black pants. Let's draw a pair of pants, like this. Then we'll fade them in. There, black pants. So, we're trying to figure out who gave Magenta the hiccups. And our first clue was a black shirt. And now our second clue is black pants. So, I wonder who gave Magenta hiccups with a black shirt and black pants. Who do you think it is, though? Now, where's these 2 clues? Oh, maybe. But maybe we should try to find our third clue, so we can get some more info.
Mail time.
The mail's here. Come on. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail! Oh, come on.
A clue.
Oh, you see our third clue? Where?
Right there.
And there it is, our third clue. And it's on this word. Williams. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook, right. Okay, the word Williams. For the word Williams, let's draw a W-I-L-L-A-M and an S. There, the word Williams. And there, the word Williams. We have all 3 clues. Hey, you know what that means? When we have our third clue, we're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Yeah, let's go.